G'day, my name's Pete, and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This jade tree is 29 years, 3 weeks old. I worked on this tree 1 year, 3 weeks ago, and now it's just needing another haircut. I would like to repot it, but I've run out of soil here. I've got to empty the compost, and that's another whole process. So I'm just going to trim it because it's getting a bit long and hairy. So it's just getting a trim. I've got a few dead spots on the tree since its last trim, like this, where the pieces have just died off. There's quite a few of them. I don't know why. I think maybe because it's not being repotted. That's another reason why I want to repot it. But yeah, I've got all these little dead spots of growth. So I will repot it before too long. I'm going to leave it much longer. I did do a video on this tree, like I said, a year ago, and I was doing that video because I was putting the tree in an exhibition for the Bonsai Club, and I said in that video that I would say how I went with the competition. Now, I did post a video saying what happened, what was the result. I can't remember where it is in what video it was, but I did do it. But just in case you hadn't seen or don't know, I didn't get any placement, first, second or third or nothing. I didn't get anything. That's okay, you know. So we just came home with nothing. Just keep going as we go. We don't get nothing. We don't get nothing. There were a lot of other trees there, and yeah, some of them were nicer than mine. sort of worm that lives on the trees. They look like the stems, you know. I don't know if they're good or bad for the tree, but he's going, he's not staying on it. Okay. Make sure it's in view, yeah. So this is the tree now. I've trimmed a lot of it. I'm sure I've missed bits, but yeah, it's all trimmed down. And we'll see how it looks in another 6 months or so. I'm happy with what I've done there. We'll just see how it looks, like I said, 6 months. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next week.